this video, I'm going to show you how to make a half double crochet 3 together stitch, all in the same stitch, which is sometimes and in some patterns called a puff stitch. But there's many different variations of puff stitches. So this video is going to show you how to do a puff stitch when it calls for 3 half double crochet stitches together in the same stitch. I've made just a small swatch here of single crochet stitches, and in the first stitch of this row I'm going to make a single crochet stitch. So to make our puff stitch or our half double crochet 3 together stitch into the next stitch, here's what we're going to do. We're going to yarn over, insert our hook into the next stitch, yarn over, and pull up a loop. We now have 3 loops on our hook. Now we're going to yarn over again and insert our hook into the exact same stitch. Now we're going to yarn over again and pull up a loop. We now have 5 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over, insert our hook into the exact same stitch, yarn over, and pull up a loop. We now have 7 loops on our hook. Now we're going to yarn over and pull that yarn through all 7 loops on our hook. And there we've just made a puff stitch or a half double crochet 3 together stitch, all in the same stitch. After making this stitch, it's quite common to make just a single crochet stitch in the next stitch. So I'm going to do that now. And then let's do this one more time. So we're going to yarn over, insert our hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over, insert our hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. 5 loops on our hook. Yarn over, insert a hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. 7 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull that yarn through all 7 loops. And now we've just made another puff stitch or half double crochet 3 together stitch in the same stitch. I wanted to quickly show you what happens when you work into these puff stitches on the following row. So I'm going to chain 1 and turn, and now you can see the puff stitches that I've made. And into this first stitch here, I'm just going to single crochet. In the next stitch is the top of the puff stitch from the previous row. And nothing special actually happens when you work into it. You treat it like any other stitch. So whatever the pattern calls for, you simply insert your hook, or if you're double crocheting, you yarn over, but you just treat that stitch exactly like any other stitch. So I'm going to single crochet into it just by inserting my hook under the top 2 loops and single crocheting. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this video and learning this stitch. Have a wonderful day.